Radhakrishnan, you don't know at this moment whether or not this particular gentleman was forced, Abdul Samad, was forced to chant Jai Shri Ram or not. There is enough evidence to suggest he wasn't, but then there are some strands which say that yes, the video that came out, he was forced to say this. It is at this moment a matter of investigation. It could pan out in either way. The police has taken a position, but as we've seen in the Pinjra Tod case, ultimately the High Court came to a different opinion. So the local police taking a position doesn't mean that is the final position. Why then do you believe that the government's actions now saying that you can take legal action against Twitter, file an FIR, is not inappropriate?
So I think when it comes to even Koo, which is like just above a year old, and we've been able to comply with whatever the requirements were from the guidelines well within the time, and we were the only social media company or intermediary which did that before time, right, before the deadline. I think there was a fair chance to have those discussions for the 3 months and bring up anything. But if there was no objection, then complying wasn't a problem for us, and it's not been a problem for a lot of other people, right? So I think that way a fair amount of time was given, and if the law is saying that if you don't comply to the guidelines, then you become a media house yourself, then I think if you become a media house and you're going to be responsible for everything that any user says, you will start thinking about what to allow and what not to allow. And that suddenly affects the freedom of speech, which, a platform like any microblogging platform, whether it's Koo or Twitter,